Hall measurement is a fundamental step in characterizing the electrical properties of new electronic materials and devices. This technique enables researchers and engineers to determine carrier type, carrier density, and carrier mobility, key factors in the overall capabilities of a semiconductor. The Hall measurement apparatus requires a magnet and an array of lab instruments that execute a sequence of measurement steps through PC-based software. However, achieving accurate results becomes more difficult when materials have much lower carrier mobilities, requiring more complex instrumentation, software, and increasingly longer measurement times. Until now. Introducing the all-new MeasureReady M91 FastHall measurement controller. The M91 makes Hall measurement simpler and more convenient because it's a complete Hall measurement solution in a single instrument. And featuring Lakeshore's patented FastHall technology, it makes accurate measurements faster, especially when measuring low mobility materials. With the M91, you have a cost-effective way to build your own state-of-the-art Hall measurement system or upgrade your traditional apparatus. When it comes to Hall research, the convenience, speed, and cost of the M91 makes it a breakthrough solution that's better in every way. The revolutionary M91 is an all-in-one instrument developed specifically for Hall measurement, which replaces the stack of conventional lab instruments and the PC software needed to run them. Inside the M91 are all the sensitive metering, precision sources, high-performance switches, and firmware needed to execute the Hall measurement protocol from start to finish. Once you give the start command, the M91 begins with an automated optimization of setup parameters, followed by checks of contact quality and measurement of sample resistivity. After field is applied to the sample, the M91 automatically conducts all the necessary Hall voltage measurements, and unlike other Hall measurement instruments, the M91 doesn't stop there. Using the data just collected, it completes the analysis and derives all the final characteristics like Hall coefficient, mobility, carrier type, and carrier concentration. So you get the answers you need without having to do further calculations. Kevin Carmichael on the M91's optimization feature.
The M91 has an optimization feature that allows the instrument to calculate the best excitation parameters for a particular sample. This is particularly useful for novice users who may not know how to avoid problems like self-heating. It's also particularly useful for more experienced users who may have a sample that with unknown parameters, and they can trust that the M91 will select the best value for them. This is very useful for variable temperature measurements where the resistivity is changing with temperature and continuously needs to be re-optimized.
The M91 employs Lakeshore's patented FastHall technology to make better Hall measurements faster than other systems and works with any magnet type to enable even low mobility materials to be measured accurately. FastHall technology changes the way Hall effect is analyzed by eliminating the need to switch the polarity of magnetic field that is applied to the sample. This has several important benefits. Field switching takes time, from seconds with smaller magnets to minutes with superconducting magnets. For lower mobility materials, AC field modulation of an electromagnet is needed, and Hall measurement times can become quite long. By eliminating the delays associated with field reversal, the FastHall technique can reduce measurement times by a factor of 100 or more. Many material types can be measured in a few seconds. Even extremely high resistance or low mobility samples can be analyzed in under 2 minutes, versus hours using traditional methods. Jeff Lindemuth on the M91.
The M91 can be used with superconducting magnets and permanent magnets. The advantage of the M91 with these magnets is that since we don't have to reverse the magnetic field, the measurements can be done quite quickly. For instance, in a superconducting magnet, it can take 20 minutes to reverse the direction of the magnetic field, which you don't have to do with the M91. Also, with permanent magnets, you don't have to worry about moving the magnet to reverse the magnetic field or moving the sample to change the direction of the magnetic field. So in both cases, the M91 provides a much faster, more accurate measurement of your Hall effect.
The time it takes to reverse field has limited the use of permanent or superconducting magnets to the measurement of higher mobility materials. With FastHall technology, any magnet type can now be used to measure semiconductors with low mobilities. This advance in technology offers greater flexibility to researchers studying the transport properties of semiconductors. An additional benefit of the speed of the M91 comes in terms of measurement accuracy. Longer measurement cycles allow thermal changes to creep in and become a source of error. FastHall's reduced measurement times actually improve measurement quality over traditional methods because smaller measurement windows mean less temperature differential between measurements and therefore less error. This is especially helpful in low mobility applications. Jeff Lindemuth on the measurement speed of the M91.
Being able to measure low mobility materials quickly is a very great advantage to the experimenter. It can measure low mobility materials just as well as the measurements with AC field, however, that can do it much faster. The ability to measure these low mobility materials is a direct consequence of the high speed at which the M91 can do a measurement.
All of this combines to make the measure-ready M91 FastHall measurement controller the most capable, reliable, and time-efficient way to analyze the transport properties of semiconductor materials and devices. The measure-ready M91 FastHall measurement controller offers a cost-effective way to build a new Hall measurement system or upgrade an existing one. Whether you choose to use a simple benchtop holder and permanent magnet, a magnet-equipped probe station, an electromagnet platform, or a more specialized apparatus, with just a few simple connections, the M91 brings state-of-the-art Hall measurement capability to your lab. A traditional Hall measurement setup includes a magnet, sample holder, switch matrix, data collection software, a nanovoltmeter, a current source, ohmic contact evaluation and Hall analysis software, and software to chart and log the results. The M91 replaces the instrumentation, optimization, data collection, and analysis within a convenient, all-in-one instrument. Rob Ellis on the M91.
The measure-ready M91 FastHall measurement controller provides a very convenient and cost-effective way to build a new Hall effect system or to upgrade an existing one. The M91 controller includes all of the instrumentation as well as the firmware necessary to coordinate the measurement sequence and calculate the final results. So in a single, simple half-rack instrument, you get a complete Hall measurement solution.
Included with each M91 is Lakeshore's versatile MeasureLink MCS software, which gives you a simple way to customize, start, and step through your measurement sequences, as well as chart, log, and organize the results. MeasureLink also enables automated control of field, management of sample temperature, and easily integrates with other instrument and measurement protocols. With MeasureLink, the M91 FastHall measurement controller becomes an even more powerful component to support your advanced semiconductor research. And while Lakeshore instruments are built for science, they were also designed for people. With an interface that makes operation and connectivity simple and intuitive, the tilt view screen makes benchtop operation natural and comfortable. And when operating the unit in an instrument rack, the tilt view screen's specially designed tension mechanism allows viewing angles from 0 to 37 degrees, eliminating the need to kneel. The M91 offers Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN connectivity, as well as an optional GPIB adapter. Using IVI class drivers and industry-standard Skippy commands, it easily integrates into systems using LabVIEW, Python, .NET, and other programming environments. And since new Lakeshore instruments are designed with the future in mind, the M91 is easily upgraded as new software capabilities are developed by Lakeshore. For more information on the revolutionary M91 FastHall measurement controller, please visit the product page at www.lakeshore.com.